YouTubers! Hi guys! It's me again, and now here's the last one. For the night, I'm going to be continue on Bill Wally, Christine Wally. Then here's the last one for the night. It's car race, NASCAR racing, Daytona 500. Here we go. The print date is February 18th, 2007. Here's the last one. But I need to go to bed a little bit, okay? Or I need to shut the computer off, okay? Because I need to go to sleep a little bit. So, here's the last one for the night.
As Gilliland's Ford brings them around for the second time.
And Mike, don't forget, we had rain here last night. This is a green racetrack, so this is the first time these guys have run on this track with it in this condition.
And of course, what he means is, as far as a green racetrack, all the rubber was washed off, and that'll take it where it doesn't have near as much grip.
Yeah, God hope the adjusting is set. Hey, I need the track turn green while we were away.
Kyle Busch way up high, 3 wide, right behind Ricky Rudd, the car you're riding with. There's Tony the Tiger peeking out. That's Kyle Busch. He's had trouble finding drafting partners this week, but he's got a fast car.
I got David Gilliland. He's got to be sitting there thinking, wow, I'm leading the Daytona 500. And the guy that's won all the races is running behind me. This is cool.
That would be Tony Stewart. Big Orange riding in second spot.
And Big Orange is a teammate, well, sort of. Or Dale Jr.'s right. Co-opetitors. Jeff Gordon or Dale Jr.'s right behind him.
On the outside lane, Kurt
There.
Busch in that blue Deuce. He's been the best of the Dodges this week. As you watch from Dale
I'm
Jr.
sorry.
Won this race since, I don't know, back
Sorry.
in the 70s or
Going to
80s.
rewind and I'm playing.
But for Ward Burton in 2002, you're right. Dodge had a big string of success here, but it was a long drought until Ward Burton went to victory lane.
Riding with Michael Waltrip right here in the 55 car right now. Michael in the 14th position. That's about where he started. This is a backup car after the infraction in qualifying, and he got very little practice. Had to race his way in the dual race, sitting up there holding his own right now with that Toyota.
I think you'll see Michael will race great. He's always driven well here. He's always run well here, no matter what.
The print date is, once again, it's February 18th, 2007. This has been, last one for the night of Papa Wally, Christine Wally. Got this tape of February 18th, 2007 of NASCAR racing. Car race. NASCAR. Car race. Car race. Sorry. Car race. NASCAR racing. Daytona 500. Alright, you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for the next video. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.